avocado trees. Then we have palm oil. In between is a chiku tree, and this is arachana nuts. You can see the fruit there. This is a fresh green pepper. Yeah. Okay. Yes, bull's heart we call it. You do it like this and you pull it. The water, extract, they soak it and then they make a pulp and have one fresh green salad. It brings the color for the curry. One we are going to use for saute. One we are going to use in the curry. Turmeric, chili powder, tamarind, onion. Blend it and make a thick paste. Shall we start? Already put vegetable oil and onion, we sauteed it, and then we had put the drumsticks. This is the paste we have. This is a curry paste. So we put all this masala, spices. Once the curry starts boiling, then we are going to add the prawns in it, and then we are going to add the salt. Okay, this is homemade. You have local people making this. This is the right consistency for your curry. This is the shrimps we are putting. Almost ready. Just a little bit. And then you put some onion. So I just put. Yeah. Then I put the washed rice. Grains will be separating from each other. This is the secret of preparing the rice.
Then I will add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, same quantity chili powder, and the tamarind water. Yeah.
We are just making a little bit flavor for your tea. We will add sugar.
Just 2 teaspoons of 5 tablespoons. If you want green chilies in this, you can add.
A little bit.
It is pista, walnut, and the dry grapes. All these things overnight, because otherwise you feel it crunchy while eating. No?